I'm life and business coach Samantha Sifring, and this is the Online Business Building Mamas podcast, where you learn how to build a wildly successful business from home while raising kids. Welcome to another Monday inspiration episode of the Badass Mother podcast. I am really hoping that you are so excited about these Monday episodes. I am too. And today I wanted to talk to you about shifting negative self-talk. So, a lot of times we hear about this, right? Like you have negative thoughts about yourself and you're supposed to just shift it to the positive. And you're going from, I am the worst person in the world to, I am this amazing, perfect goddess in every way. And it just doesn't ring true. It's supposed to make you feel amazing and positive and so good, and it doesn't. You have probably already heard me rant a little about affirmations. I did another episode about that. We can link up to it in the show notes. But this is a little different. So I wanted to just bring up the fact that when you are shifting your negative self-talk, you do not have to go the complete opposite if it doesn't ring true to you. Sometimes having a positive thought can actually do the opposite. It doesn't feel positive for you, and that is the most important part. Today, as I was sitting down doing some of my mindset work, I came up with two thoughts. I am learning and I am growing. These are not super mountaintop positive thoughts, but they made me feel really good today. They made me feel better, probably, than if I had written down something really super positive, like I'm building my empire, I'm kicking ass, like I'm at the top of the world, whatever. Like those probably would not have felt as true and as amazing as I am learning and I am growing feel. So that's my tidbit for you today. On this quick Monday inspiration episode, I want you to know that you get to think and believe whatever you want about yourself. So ditch the negative thoughts, yes, and then choose to replace them with thoughts today that feel really good to you, whatever that looks like today. Maybe it's mountaintop amazing, maybe it's just chill. Maybe it's just acknowledging I'm on a journey, I'm learning, I'm growing, I'm doing it, and that feels amazing to you today. So really think through, what are the feelings that this thought is creating for me? Is that what I want today? And then choose that new thought really, really powerfully and enjoy what it creates for you the rest of the day. Enjoy the kind of action that it gets you into the rest of the day. All right, mamas, super short and sweet for you today. I hope that you love it. I hope you have an amazing Monday and an amazing rest of your week. If you like this podcast, I want to invite you to coach with me over in my program, Mama to CEO. There's you, and there's the consistent income you want to make in your business. And I help you remove everything standing in between. It's lifetime access for mastering your marketing, sales, time, and everything else you need to have the business and life you really want. Whether it's making your first 1,000 or 100,000, I can help you do it. To join, go to mamatoceo.com, mamatoceo.com.